Hey guys, it's Jesper, and in this video I will show you exactly how I have done yesterday 10.2k in revenue with zero creative testing. And even on my main store I made 1.5 million USD, which is 1.1 million GBP, without testing any creatives. So let's get into it, because you guys probably will wonder, but Jesper, how much money did you spend then on ads? Well, I did spend yesterday 3.5k on ads, which means we have rows of 2.6, which means we made yesterday 23.6% in profit. And if you would see my campaign setup, I only have two campaigns. This is one campaign and this is one campaign. Pretty simple, right? That's it. And as you can see, these budgets, one is 3k a day and one is 400. And it overspent a little bit because we spent 3.5k. But hey, I'm not complaining with a 23% profit with literally zero creatives. That's literally what I do. And as you guys probably already seen, this is not Facebook ads, this is not TikTok ads, nope, this is Google ads. And I will explain you why I've chosen this model. Because as you probably go to, for example, YouTube and you type in how to start dropshipping, I even have it open here, you guys will see all these different gurus and coaches, and it all is now these days with AI and with video ads and with Meta and TikTok. Everyone is saying the exact same thing. Everyone is saying the exact same thing. You don't even see me coming up here, and that's good because we want to keep the competition low, okay? But I will show you and literally give you a summary what all of these people say. They first give you the affiliate tool that they're affiliated with, that you need to buy the expensive spy tool, so they get money from the affiliates. Probably they're not using even these spy tools themselves, but hey, they just show you, just for reference, that they use this tool. So you need to buy this on the expensive subscription. Then you need to find this winning product that is now trending and everyone else is seeing on the spy tool as well. Then you need to rip the creative from Calodata or TikTok. This is also one of the spy tools that people use a lot. And then you rip the exact same creative as everyone else. Then you copy the landing page, because that's what you need to do. You need to just copy what works, which is stupid, without any adjustments, just straight out copy. Get a DMCA claim, that's what you can get as well. And then set up different campaigns on Meta and TikTok, because you probably need to test different audience, different creatives, etc. Maybe ABO, CBO, Advantage Plus, you have all these different type of campaigns. And then because you're literally copying and pasting everything else, you get high CPMs, high CPCs, and the next day your ad account is banned, the business manager is banned, and you need to start all over again. Literally, this is the way now of dropshipping. This is literally, and most of the stuff that I see happening is these high CPMs and CPCs and the ad account bans. People are getting literally demotivated after testing maybe for $5,000 different campaigns, different products, different audience, and people don't see any success. But this is this is dropshipping 2018, 2017. This is not how dropshipping is working. I will show you exactly how they literally tell you to set up and how the traditional campaign setup actually works. So what I normally did when I was running Facebook ads, and I literally watched these videos from these gurus. I literally just watched some of these videos that I was like, okay, let's see what they're teaching. Well, most of them literally say create one CBO campaign, mostly on meta ads, with different ad sets, so different audiences. That's what they normally say, with different creatives, with different avatars, with different ICPs, different copies, like different landing pages. I'm like, whoa, this is overwhelming. But yeah, this is maybe an ad set targeting only women. This is an ad set targeting people 35 plus. This is the US. This is the UK. This is Australia. You can literally, so all these different variables. And then of course you have creative 1, creative 2, creative 3, creative 4. So this could be a image ad, this could be a video ad, this could be an unboxing video, this could be a carousel ad, this could be a retargeting ad. All these different creatives, it's insane. And to be honest, like, yes, you need this for meta ads mostly, and as well with TikTok ads. You need to have a diversification of all these creatives, because you have this marketing funnel, top of funnel, middle of funnel, and bottom of funnel, all have different types of segments and different type of audiences. So you need to understand this. Most of these people don't understand this because these guys are not explaining it. Literally, these guys are not explaining how top of funnel, middle of funnel, and bottom of funnel actually works, and what kind of ads you need to make for awareness stages till even bottom of funnel where the conversion happens. But yeah, Never mind these guys. You guys should really stop watching these guys, okay? So what is then the new and the better way of dropshipping? And I will show you exactly what I think is the better way. First of all, instead of just random spy tools and expensive spy tools, we literally just do product demand research. And I use free tools. I only use free tools. Google Trends and Amazon's movers and shakers. I've made a shit ton of videos on my channel how I use these. And this is free. This is data. So the difference already is we use data instead of emotions, instead of guesswork. We use real data. Then we're gonna do competitor research. We build a big competitor list with literally all competitors in our space that are literally doing the exact same thing. As you guys can see, that's this kind of list. If you guys wanna have this sheet with all my competitors that I keep track of, make sure you subscribe to the channel because almost 60% is not subscribed to the channel. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and leave a comment in the comment section below with something nice. Something like, hey Jasper, thanks for this video, and I will send it over to you, okay? Then what we're gonna do is we still copy the product page, but we use an AI tool. And soon, within 2 weeks, I will be public with this AI tool. I've used it internally for myself, but we have built it for the Freedom Achievers community. They're running it, they're using it right now. We're getting some bucks out of there, but we use just an AI tool. With one click, we just optimize the product page with the title, the alt text, and the description with one click, and literally for a few cents. We don't need VAs anymore. We don't need to do this ourselves. So what I then do is that I list 50 products per week with AI. I literally use this tool to list 50 products per week, which takes 30 minutes. And the funny thing is, this is normally, the tool takes like 25 minutes to render. That's it, with this amount of products. That's it. And the products are listed, the products are optimized and ready to go. Then I launch one campaign, 40 bucks a day with all products. That's literally what we had in the beginning here. As you guys can see, it says it here. PMax campaign, total feed. That means all products. Yes, I do have now a campaign with my best sellers, but that's a low budget thing. The big one is literally with all products in there. Okay, that's the setup. That's what we do. And we test all of these products with the PMax campaign. And that PMax campaign makes the creatives, which is insane. I will show you if you go, for example, to the US and you type in women winter jacket, here you see the creatives. These are the creatives. Nothing more, nothing less. These are the creatives. And guess what? These are the images from your product page. So the PMax campaign already uses the product images as a creative, which is insane, right? This is insane. This is literally how it looks, and I already see some dropshippers in here, but this is literally what you only need to do. And if you have nice product images, then people will say like, ah, yeah, I like this one. And they click on it and boom, they land on it and this is a dropshipper, by the way. I can literally see already this is a dropshipper. Very bad website, to be honest. But this is a dropshipper. And the funny thing is they're literally the second listing. They're the second listing with this terrible looking store. They're already the second listing. This is how easy it is, guys. Even the brands are not even utilizing this. It's just ridiculous, really. It's just ridiculous. That's the better way of dropshipping, having one big campaign with all the products in there. Oh, and guess what? You're only being charged by clicks, not by CPMs. With Facebook, what these guys are teaching you, or TikTok, you're literally being charged by impressions. People scroll past your ad, they have not seen your ad, but maybe 1 second, boom, TikTok and Meta will charge you money for it, which is insane. With Google, if people don't click on your listing, you're not being charged. This is the most simplest way to do dropshipping, especially now in 2020, going into 2026. I think you guys really should adapt. And why? Because it works every time and it works for everyone. Here are some results from the Freedom Achievers community. You guys know I run the Freedom Achievers community, the biggest community on school for Google Ads dropshippers, where we teach people how to make the first 1K day in 90 days with only Google Ads. So I'm only teaching Google Ads. No shiny object syndrome, only Google Ads. Martin, he's even a member of the Inner Circle. We have a program in Freedom Achievers if you want to have more one-on-one help. But this guy literally is a complete noob, a complete beginner. And he made his first 1K day yesterday, which is insane. Thank you, Jasper. Thank you, Enrique, and thank you, Yuri, one of the coaches. He's very grateful. Jahane, man, this guy's even printing. He's using, by the way, the agency, as you guys know, as you probably have seen. You see here, Icarus Agency. You guys always ask me, where do I do the media buying? Who the heck is scaling you so hard? Well, we have a link in the description. It's Icarus Agency. And this guy is also running on Icarus Agency. And as you guys can see, he's making 11K Australian dollars per day, which is insane. 11K, which is insane. And people are already giving him. And here he says media buying is done by Icarus, which is insane. Which is insane. So in the description, you will find two links. One description is the first thing in the description is of course the Freedom Achievers community. And I will not do any fake marketing or any fake urgency, but soon we're increasing the prices. And that's really soon. Probably when this video goes out, you guys have just a few days and the prices will increase with 75%. You guys are the first that will hear this because everyone is asking me how much does it go up? 75% very, very soon. And the second link will be Icarus Agency if you want to work with them, but only work with the agency if you have literally your GMC and your ad account ready. If you have no GMC, no ad account ready, they will cancel your call. And as you guys can see, people are printing in the Freedom Achievers community with the exact same system. Some, here you guys can see, doing 100 plus orders in the Polish market. Whoever thought about Poland? Like, look, 107 orders. I don't even know how much money this is, but this will be probably 10 between, I don't know, 8 and 15K, which is insane. These guys are all printing, and I'm really happy that everyone is doing so well. Karim made his first 1K day, which is insane. First sale, first sale, first sale. It's amazing. First 10K month, first sale, first ever 7K day with rows of 3.19. Guys, what should I tell you more? This is the best way for starting your dropshipping store. And if you want to know how I've made 1.5 million and you want to see a full case study running Google as dropshipping, check out this video because I give you a complete overview how I run my operations. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.